So how does a small or a medium business build a strong brand that has instant trust and credibility? How do you take on those big global companies and these emerging operators in your industry? There is a process to do it, and let me now share that process with you. First step is you start with strategy. When it comes to strategy, there are three things you need to do. The first stage of strategy is to know who your customer is. Who's your ideal customer? Who is the customer who values what we do the most? And these are the customers who pays us the top dollar and the customers we love serving. Now, it's very important for us to know who these ideal customers are, because lots of businesses don't know clearly who their ideal customer is. They think anyone and everyone is our customer. Everyone is not our customer. So it's very important, as the first stage of strategy, we work out our customer strategy and work out who our ideal customer is. Once you've done that, then you're ready to work on your product service strategy and to fine-tune your products and services to meet the needs and wants of your ideal customer. Not just needs and wants, but desires as well. And as you know, customers pay us more when we meet not just their needs, but their wants and desires. And it's very important to understand that. Now, once we've understood our customers and we've understood what products and services are fine-tuned for these ideal customers, we now need to understand our competitors. Who are the large players in our industry? Who are the big brands? What are the smaller emerging competitors? And then the competitors our size. We've got to do an analysis of them. We will help you to do this. And then to make sure your brand and your business can stand apart from our competition, but also not just to stand apart, how do we stand much taller than our competition? Now, this is crucial, because when you do that, suddenly you're playing a different game. You're not just standing apart, but you're much taller than your competition. That's crucial. Once you've done that, we've got to use this strategy framework we've developed to make sure your brand, your online brand is developed. You need to work with a branding expert who understands branding in a way, who can describe your unique value proposition, what makes your brand special, so that a customer who comes to your business, who sees your business online, on social media or your website, has instant trust and credibility. The next phase is you take this brand design. Now you look like $1 million online, and you overlay this on your website, on your social media pages, and wherever you're online, okay? So that there is consistency. This is what's called brand consistency. That's the first phase of how you build a strong online brand for your business. Then there are a few other phases of how do we launch and promote our business, your website, and your brand. That's the next stage. We will cover that in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and also leave a comment and tell us what more you would like to learn. Now, don't forget to click the subscribe button, because this is all about small business digital strategy and innovation. I look forward to seeing you again.